Welcome to a breakthrough in e-commerce and social media marketing that's about to change everything you thought you knew about online selling. I'm here to walk you through an incredible journey with a software that's been a total game changer for me. A cutting-edge AI that crafts TikTok Shop product videos like magic. First off, let's talk about your products. You'll want to round up some top-notch images. Whether they come from your own stash or from the web, make sure they show off all the best angles and features of what you're selling. Next up, it's time to get those images into the AI software. You'll find the link below. Don't forget to toss in some essential details about your product too. Things like the name, what makes it special, and why it stands out. Now, here's where the fun starts. With your images and info in the system, the AI takes over. It sifts through everything you've provided to create product videos that are just, wow, we're talking scripts, music, effects. The works all tailored to make your product shine. Once the AI's done its thing, you'll have a bunch of video options to look over. Pick your favorites to showcase in your TikTok shop, or if you're not quite feeling them, just hit regenerate for a fresh batch. With your videos in hand, it's time to see what resonates with your audience. Upload them to your TikTok shop and keep a close eye on how they're received. This is your chance to fine-tune your strategy for maximum impact, and when you strike gold with a video that really hits the mark, don't be shy about using it again. Keeping your content fresh while recycling your hits is key to keeping your audience hooked without them even realizing it. This AI, lovingly dubbed Bull Video, is nothing short of revolutionary. It's not just about making video production a breeze, it's about opening up new possibilities for products that might have been overlooked before. By bringing this tech into your toolkit, you're not just streamlining your workflow. You're positioning yourself at the forefront of the fast-paced world of e-commerce and social media marketing. Whether you're pushing your own products or championing others as an affiliate, Bull Video is your secret weapon for crafting compelling, high-quality videos that stand out. So, if you're ready to take your TikTok shop to the next level and truly engage your audience, it's time to give Bull Video a whirl. It's an investment that promises not just time savings, but a real boost in sales. Let's make some magic happen.